Luna Classic is about to test a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see from yesterday's Luna Classic video, we had a beautiful one more wick to the upside to retest that 26 level and are currently trading below the exponential moving averages. I mentioned that's going to be very, very important for us to actually hold this 23 level, and as of right now, we do have a confirmation of a break. You can see that because of the fact that we had some nice clean wicks around this level, but now we are trading lower, and I would definitely be expecting to see a move to around that 22 mark. Things are definitely going to become very, very interesting. Of course, if we break that level, we ideally want to wait till we get that confirmation, but if we do see a move like this where we have a massive push to the downside, the next support area would be around the 18 mark where this massive BART formation actually started. Of course, from the bullish case scenario, if we do see a retest of this confirmation and that 3-week, this would just be another manipulation move, which we can see right over here. We have tested this level multiple times, and this does act as an accumulation zone. We have to be very, very careful, of course, looking for long entries, because you can see that Luna Classic had multiple opportunities to actually break above that level to 27 and retest that resistance. We only saw one retest and that confirmation of that move to the downside, which was a fake out, but it's going to be very important for the bulls to actually try to take that 27 level, use it as support, and then the continuation. Right now, we are simply just not seeing that from the bullish momentum. Obviously, things can change extremely fast with one news event for Luna Classic, so we have to be careful. But right now, in the short term, guys, things are looking very, very bearish. Ideally, a clean break from this level is the last support Luna Classic actually has before we test this major level at 22. And you guys already know from my previous videos, I mentioned the fact that if this level is tested 3 times, usually on the third test, you have a break formation. You can see we test this level once, twice, and now this would become the third test. I, of course, only count these levels to be tested once we actually hit that level. So for those of you looking at these levels, these don't count as tests because we actually didn't hit that level. I want to see a wick retest that level, give that confirmation, and then start looking for those entries. But as of right now, we just simply don't see that wick to the downside, right? Of course, on Luna Classic, if we do look at the lower time frames right now, you can see that on the hourly, we have a confirmation of that move to the downside. Right over here, you can see that we were testing that level before. We had multiple wicks, around 5 or 6, before we finally saw that bullish momentum candle breaking above. And this, of course, was this sort of U formation as well. But we have to be careful now because of the fact that you can see that the level is obviously getting tested a lot more. The more times a level is tested, the higher chances of it actually breaking. So I will be looking for a clean confirmation break below that retest right over here, and then that continuation to the downside. We don't want to enter a shorting position just yet because, again, guys, we can easily get wicked out like this. What we want to see is this support level at 23 actually break, retest as resistance, and then we can see that move, and that would give us confirmation for that shorting opportunity. Now, of course, overall, though, we do still have this BART formation at play, and I definitely do think that this will now be playing out because of the fact that we saw multiple wicks to the upside trying to break that level, but we just failed to do so. This 18 level support is going to be very, very crucial for Luna Classic, and if we do see that consolidation and that move above, things can obviously look a little bit more bearish or bullish. But if we do see that break below and see that consolidation and that rejection, Luna Classic is going to be heading much lower. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have